Hello everyone, my name is Ganga Rawat, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. My topic for today is the dental products. So, talking about what are dental products and so on. So, today you might be noticing that today I haven't written any content like the notes for your dental products. Rather, I have written certain questions like what are dental products, why do we need them, what is the importance, and what are the different kinds of dental products. So, today we will be discussing only these. So, what are dental products? So each and every product related to your teeth is called the dental product. So dental means when you talk about teeth, it comes from the word dentist. So from here this dent word comes. It's not the bending, it's actually the teeth part. So whatever you are making related to something like teeth, it will be in the form of dental, either dental products, either dental care, or whatever you may call it. Next is, why do we need them? We need them for various reasons, because teeth, they not only provide one function, that is in the digestion. Rather, these teeth, they play an important role in the maintenance, also in the overall appearances and good health, we call it. Or next we can call it the confidence, because with the maintenance of our body, it also builds the confidence. So one thing which, though it might be one thing, but it has got various purposes. So digestion, because we know that when we, the intake of food starts from the buccal cavity, which is our teeth. So it starts from here only. The intake of food through our teeth, when we bite them, when we chew them, when we tear them, or when we grind them. So I hope you might be knowing all these words. Like bite them is when you just take a bite, like you take a bite of an apple, like this. When you take, let's assume an apple and we are taking a bite. Also, when we chew them, slide. Also, when you tear them, like when you are in a habit of eating flesh, like the lice, they have got incisors, very sharp incisors. So they tear the food. So they have got another function, that is tearing of food, and the fourth one is the grinding. If you take a hard substance in your mouth, you need to grind it, and this grinding of the food takes place from the molars itself, which are at the last. So these are the functions of the teeth basically. And what is digestion? When you the intake of the food, and when you cut them into finer pieces, along with the saliva, the breakdown of food takes place. So the digestion process, that is why we call that digestion process starts from our mouth only. Okay, moving on. Maintenance. Maintenance, why? Because you also might be knowing, the moment I started my video, I was smiling, and my face, it has got it went into some other place, like you might be liking that thing. So whenever you smile, your teeth plays an important role in building your appearance, in building your importance. So teeth, they have got their own importance for that. Health. Why do we consider health? Because teeth, when they are affected, the people who might have got cavities in the teeth, they might be knowing that their overall health is also disturbed. They get headaches and so on. Means they are not able to eat properly. They are not able to think properly. All the attention, they goes towards their teeth only, and also the various problems which arises due to them. Next is the confidence. When you know that something is very good in you, so you feel more confident about something. So these are the functions of the teeth. So why do we need them? Because we have to maintain all these things. Now, why are they important to us? Indirectly, these all are the reasons that teeth performs this much of functions. They are further helpful in these things, means digestion, maintenance, and health, and so on. Also, they are important to us because they are a vital part of our body. So we need to maintain them. We are in a habit of self-care. We need to care about ourselves also. Next, what are the different types of dental products? Starting from the anti-caries. Second one is the cleaning agents, or we call them dentifrices. The third one is the sensitizing agents, and the fourth one is the cement and the fillers. So talking about the anti-caries, what are anti-caries? Anti anticaries are those substances which help to prevent cavities in our teeth. Now in the next few minutes I will be discussing what cavity is. So cavity is when you look at your teeth, it's somewhat like this, means yes, it's somewhat like this only, and if it grows like this. So if the food is stayed over here, it will stay for a longer period of time. And say you have eaten a meal, means you just now had your dinner, and there's something left over here, and you haven't brushed your teeth. So this leftover particle, along with microorganism action, will liberate certain acids, which will start damaging your teeth. And if this same procedure continued for a longer period of time, it will create a hole, starting from the damage, slight damage, it will create a hole which will break your this hard covering that is called the enamel of your teeth. So this like reducing of your enamel part or affecting your enamel part and getting sensitized toward your teeth is nothing but called the cavities, which is being affected by the microorganisms. Next is the cleaning agent. Right now I just said about anticaries, or we can call it like anticaries, something which we require for the care of your teeth. Next is the cleaning agents. What are cleaning agents? Cleaning agent, as the name suggests, that it is a cleaning agent, something which we require to clean our teeth. They are also a type of called the polishing agents. You can call them the polishing agents as well. Polishing, or we can call this procedure only like polishing. Why do we require polishing? Because you might be knowing that with time, many of us face the yellowness in our teeth. So that thing needs to be removed in order to look smart and decent. So we require that our teeth should look white, sparkling white. So that is why we require certain cleaning agents along with the other things that should damage our teeth. Next is the sensitizing agent. With age, it is quite common nowadays, especially in our adults, that they face a problem called sensitizing. So what in that case, what happens is, whenever they eat something hot or something extremely cold, their teeth starts paining, or they find a kind of shivering in the teeth. So what do they require in that case is the sensitizing agent. Moving on, we have got fourth thing, that is the cement and the fillers. What are cement and fillers? So in the cases where this cavity occurs, you need to protect them, and you protect them or you care for them, you shield them with certain substances called the cements and fillers, in which you fill up that spaces caused by the cavities by various agents called cements and fillers. I hope the introduction to dental product is quite clear to you, and if you have got any doubts regarding what I have taught today, please do let me know. Thank you.